Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by freeing resources and applying quick corrections. First, check iPad storage and delete large files so you have at least 10% free. Next, force close background apps to stop instant CPU and RAM pressure. Once done, make sure you update iPad OS on Wi-Fi and a charger so system optimizations and bug fixes install cleanly. This often resolves sudden slowdowns without deeper work. You'll now apply sustained fixes that improve responsiveness. Restart the device, and if freezes persist, perform a hard reboot to clear stalled processes. Offload or delete seldom used apps to free storage and remove their caches. Storage directly affects virtual memory and app launch times. Then reduce system animations and accessibility to lower GPU load and make interactions feel snappier. These actions together lower CPU and graphics demand, so the iPad runs smoother under real usage. To finish, reset all settings to clear misconfigured options without erasing content. This often fixes stubborn lag. If problems persist, back up to iCloud or a computer and perform a factory reset. This restores system files to defaults and removes deep software corruption. Make sure to test performance after each step so you know what helped. If lag remains after a reset, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.